Welcome to Twinin'it. I'm your host, Craig Noble, documentary filmmaker and moto enthusiast. This is the show about everything you can do to and with the Honda Africa Twin adventure sports. And today, we're in beautiful Pachena Bay on the West Coast Trail on Vancouver Island. Just hanging out on the beach. Had a pretty serious ride over some very bumpy logging roads to get here. Gonna cruise around this afternoon, do some riding, shoot the drone, perhaps shoot some guns. And generally have a good time out here because it's beautiful. Very adventure. End of the road, kind of, for my bike anyway. I know Chris wants to keep on going, but I'm done. And we discovered something, or I discovered something just over here. Check this out. Yeah, man, super nice cabin. It's a super cabin. Nice little pond, picnic table, fire pit, cabin. Perfect. This campsite comes with perfectly stacked wood and a really choice hammock tent position. Well, that was an interesting camp spot. Wasn't expecting that after that outed bridge, and certainly not after this ride. But unlimited chopped firewood at the end of a late ride was helpful indeed. And buddy Chris actually got a really nice sleeping platform on their deck, so everybody wins. Well, it's a pretty gnarly ride in after a day of riding yesterday, but I'm gonna roll on the GoPro on the way out to give you guys a peek at what it was like. Light is obviously better now. Well, Chris, I don't know. It's a pretty sweet day.
Great day, Craig.
I don't know how it could get even better.
I think we're doing it.
Well, there are some pellets. I think this top one's taking beats. Mild beats. Love that thing. So fun. So useful. A lot of people think this gun's useless. They're wrong. Back to the bikes. Well, that was a beauty weekend. Vancouver, Port Alberni, Bamfield, Nitinat Lake, and then up and over to Cowichan Lake, and then now back down to Nanaimo. Lots of dirt and lots of fun. That was probably one of the best days of the year for riding today. I don't know, maybe 20 degrees Celsius, unbelievable sunshine, lakes, drones, shotguns, plenty of bike riding. My engine case is now leaking again, so I'm going to fix that tomorrow. And Chris's KLR got a little stretched out on the bumpity bumps, so he's fixing that now. But we should be back together in no time and ready for another trip. So stay tuned for another episode of Twinin'it.